wegalia tita kagua. Asimu wegalia Mikey kagua. Mikey banya kuko kuluginya. Ajitinya nyagwego na bani nisa. Asimu wegalia
Ananimo. Ndewo on your mom. That song, very, very beautiful song, sung by the ladies of Umoji. Way back, look at how beautiful that song is. Way back when we still, use our language to sing beautiful songs. These days, I don't know what is happening. All right, so that's that. Ndewo. You're welcome to Igbo school. In Igbo school, what do we do here? What we do in Igbo school is to learn Igbo culture, Igbo language, everything about Igbo, the food, everything you can think of about Igbo, the history, everything. That's Igbo school. Everything is here. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so that you won't miss any of our episodes coming your way soon. All right, today what I want to talk about is greeting. I want to discuss, not just teaching you to greet in Igbo language, I want to discuss greeting with you in Igbo language, okay? Because you need to understand. Yes, you need to understand the culture of the people so you apply the language very well. There's something going around recently, with these people of this generation. Because we are so used to English language, because everything, most times people leave our language and they'll start speaking English. All right? So, they have started using English to speak Igbo. English to speak Igbo. One thing you need to understand is that language is an expression of people's culture, people's philosophy, people's way of life. That's their language. Everything about them, you will find it in their language. So if you want to know about any people, any society, go and learn their language, all right? You will find it there. Now, I want you to understand the setting in Igbo land, the setting in Igbo culture. When we wake up in the morning, we don't wish people good morning. Good morning is a wish. We wish you good morning. I wish you good evening. I wish you good afternoon. No. What we do is we ask you how you're faring. Like, how have you woken up? For instance, in the morning, I'll ask you, have you woken up? So you don't have to get everything that exists in English and look for the equivalent in Igbo language. That is wrong. It's a wrong approach. Okay. All right. So what we have in Igbo setting is when you wake up in the morning, you call the person by their name and ask them how. Oh, sorry. This is on my telephone. Stabbing me now. So, sorry about that. You ask them about their health, about the people around them. So you wake up in the morning, you say, Ibolachi. That is, have you woken? Ibolachi. All right. So if I see my mother in the morning those days, I don't say, Mama, Otutuoma. Or in the afternoon, I'll say, Papa, Otutuoma. No. What I do, for instance, I grew up with my grandfather. I was with my grandfather when I was growing up. And what I do is that when you wake up in the morning, you call him his Afo-Tutu, his title name. Every elderly person in Igbo land has a title name, all right? Yes. So you have different names, Ogwago, Ezenwata, whatever. That is the title name, Afo-Ozo, Afo-Tutu. So my grandfather's name, Ofojebe, I would say, Ofoje, you would say, Nwam Kedu, Ademuma. Simple. That's what we have. So if I see an elderly woman, if I don't know her, I will know her name. If I don't know her, I will greet Nne. Say Nwam Kedu. If I know her name, I will say Chidimma. Dibugo. Dibugo, for those married women that will have their names. Asege, we will tell you Nwam Kedu Ademuma. So it depends on the dialect. We have three things we say, okay? Three different versions of that same expression. The first one I'll give you is Salachi, Ibolachi, Itetago. So, Isalachi, Ibolachi, Itetago. That's what we have. Okay? And the next is to ask after your health. Idikwamma. Are you well? Adimomma. I am fine. Or Kedu? Adimomma. Kedu ki mere? Adimomma. Okay? That's that. So next time you see someone, don't say Ututoma, Ehihoma, Mbedoma. Nobody. If you go down to Aba, Onitsha, Enugu, where else, and say that, people will be like, wow, where is this one coming from? So when you see somebody say Kekwan, Kekwan is when you are speaking with your peer, all right? When you are relating with your peer, you say Kekwan. So if I see you and you're my friend and your name is Ijoma, I say, Ijoma, Kekwan, Dimma, Ginika, Kekwan, Dimma. That's it. That's what we have. We don't have good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We don't have it. Please, we don't have it. Please don't be offended, but we don't have it. All right, so if someone asks you, Kekwan or Dimma, Kedu or Dimma, or Dimma. The next thing we do, we ask about your father, Kedu maka mamagi. Kedu maka papagi, that's if it's someone you know. Kedu maka ndi begi. Ndi begi is your family. Kedu maka ndi begi, or you can say kedu maka ezinụlọ gị, how is your family ọ dị mma. Kedu maka di gị, how is your husband, is fine. Kedu maka nwunye gị ọ dị mma. Kedu maka ụmụ gị, ha dị mma. So that's what we have, all right? Ha dị mma, they are fine. All right, so that's that about greeting. That's how we do it. Please, this is how it is applied here in Igbo land, where I am situated. I am here. I've not gone anywhere. So when I see people on social media saying Ututoma, Ehihoma, Mbedoma, I wonder which Igbo are they speaking? I am here in Igbo land, or reaching you from Igbo land. That's how we say it, okay? All right, so that's just a correction I want to bring your way about greeting. I hope you have learned it, all right? Now, if you're greeting a group of people, let's say you meet a group of people and you want to greet them. How do you do that? Say, Ndewo. That's why you will see me always come and say, Ndewo no. Ndewo. So if there are 2, 5, no, many. Ndewo no. Ndewo no. Ndewo no when you are there. Ndewo no you are greeting from far. Ndibayi ndewo no. That's it. Like, hello everyone. Hello everyone. That's it. How we do it, okay? So next time you see a group of people, hey, Ndibayi ndewo no. That's how we do it. Ndewo no. That's it. All right. So you ask Kekwan or the mama, Kedu maka mamagi or the mama, Kedu maka papagi or the mama, Kedu maka nwanne gi nwani. Family members, all of them are valued and recognized in Igbo culture. All right, so that is it. So, when we come to parting greetings, how do we part? When we are parting, we say Kemesia, Kemesia. That's bye. All right. If you are having an appointment with the person, maybe it's tomorrow you want to meet again, or do you say Kodiechi, Kodiechi? I'll see you tomorrow. If it's on Thursday, Kodi Thursday. Kodi Nwannechi, see you after tomorrow. Any day it could be any day. All right, that is it. Or what did I say? Kemesia, Kodi. Yes, that's all we have. As in, see you, bye. So if I'm parting now, I will say Kodi, Kemesia, see you, see you, Kemesia. All right. So that is that about Igbo greeting. One more few expressions I want you to pick today is how do we say thank you? How do we say thank you? You say Dalu. The first one, Dalu. The second one, Imela. Dalu. So now we have done. I'm going to tell you Dalu. Dalu for coming into my channel today. Dalu. Imela. Kodio Gozo. So I'm leaving you now to see you next time. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss any of these things that will be coming your way on this channel. We'll be doing teaching the language, the grammar, everything, the Proverbs, Ilu Igbo. You know Igbo people, I didn't tell you. Igbo people, they have this culture, but it's very rich. Everyone who is well grounded in Igbo language, you know, will always add a proverb when he's talking, especially when elder is talking to an elder, even when an elder is talking to a child. All right, you have that proverb. There's this popular proverb in Igbo language, you know, which we say that an expression, so to say, we say that onye atụrụ ilu kọwaa ịmara na ego eji lụ nne ya nara n'iyi. Onye atụrụ ilu kọwaa, anyone, okay, who you will give a proverb and the person doesn't understand and I expect you to explain it for the person before he understands. We say that the bride price that was paid on the mother's head is useless. What does that tell you? It means that every Igbo child, every Igbo person that grew up in Igbo language, speaking Igbo language, should understand the proverbs. Onye atụrụ ilu kọwarịa ya, ịma na gịnị mere ego eji nụ nne ya na n'iyi. Onye atụrụ ilu kọwa, ịma na ego eji nụ nne ya na n'iyi. If you give someone a proverb, expressing proverbs, and have to explain to the person before he or she understand, that means the bride price that was paid on the mother's head is useless. It means he wasn't trained well. That's simple. That's the implication. If you say that the bride price that was paid on your mother's head is useless, it means that you weren't trained well by your mother. So if you want to learn Igbo the Igbo way, where you have to learn the Igbo language, the culture, the food, everything, please keep with us, subscribe, and invite your family members. If you're an Igbo person, and you're not well grounded in Igbo language, this channel, you won't miss it. You will not like to miss this channel. So please subscribe now. And what do I say now as we are parting? I'll say dalu maka ige monti ke mesia ka audio gozo ke mesia.